We have a motion problem here, and it reads two bodies A and B moving at 8 meters per second and 10 meters per second are accelerating at 5 meters per second squared and 4 meters per second squared respectively to reach a point at the same time. In what time will the two bodies be 96 meters apart? Okay, so this motion problem, what we understand is that we have two bodies, okay, that were initially moving at different velocities, and they reach a particular point at the same time. After that, it is asking us at what time will the two bodies will be 96 meters apart. So, solution, let's say this is body A, we have body A, and we have body B. Let's try to collect data. The initial velocity for body A is 8 meters per second, and the initial velocity for body B is 10 meters per second. Body A is accelerating, acceleration is 5 meters per second squared, and the acceleration for body B is 4 meters per second squared. Okay, so it is asking us at what time will the two bodies be 96 meters apart. That is distance, okay? So the way you can solve this problem is to find the distance for A and the distance for body B. Then the difference is 96 meters. That is the logic behind this question. So if I should find the distance for body A, we know that the formula is ut plus half at squared. This is the equation of motion that relates distance, initial velocity, time, and acceleration. Okay, so if we should substitute the values, so distance of A is equals to what is the initial velocity for body A is 8 multiplied by the time plus half. The acceleration is 5 multiplied by t squared. So distance for A is equals to 8t plus 2 into 5 is 2.5. So we'll have 2.5t squared. Okay, we can do the same thing for distance for B. The same formula, ut plus half at squared. So if we substitute, the initial velocity is 10 multiplied by t plus half. The acceleration is 4 multiplied by t squared. This will give 10t plus 2 into 4 is 2 times, so you'll have 2t squared. Okay, so the question says the distance apart, that is the distance between body A and body B, is 96 meters, and it wants us to know the time at which that occurs. So distance of A minus distance of B is equal to 96 meters. That is what it is trying to tell us. So what is distance of A? From the equation is 8t plus 2.5t squared, then minus what is the distance of B is 10t plus 2t squared. This is equal to 96. So if I should expand, this will be 8t plus 2.5t squared. Negative times 10 is negative 10t. Negative times plus 2t squared will be negative 2t squared. This is equal to 96. So I can collect the like terms, that is bringing the squared together, and this will be 2.5t squared minus 2t squared then plus 8t minus 10t is equal to 96. So that will be 2.5 minus 2 will be 0.5t squared minus 2t is equal to 96. So to make this a quadratic equation, I have to bring 96 to the other side so that it can be equal to 0. This should be 0.5t squared minus 2t minus 96 is equal to 0. So this is a quadratic equation. At this point, I am expecting you to know how to solve quadratic equation, at least using the formula method. If you don't know how to solve quadratic equation, then you can watch one of my videos with the topic, with the heading, solving quadratic equation using the formula method. Okay, so we know that quadratic equation is in the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So when we use that to compare, a will be 0.5, b will be -2, and c will be -96. A is 0.5, b is -2, c is -96. But the quadratic formula is, if at all we want to find t, it is going to be minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So this will be t is equals to minus, what is b? B is -2 plus or minus the square root of what is b? It will be -2 squared minus 4 times what is a? 0.5 multiplied by what is c? -96 all over 2 into what is a? 0.5. So this will be t equals to negative times negative will be +2. So let me just write 2 plus or minus the square root of -2 squared is 4. Okay, minus what is 4 times 0.5 times -96. That will be -192 all over 2 times 0.5 is 1, I guess. So that will be over 1. So this will be t equals to 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 -192 will be negative will be positive. So that will be 4 plus 192 all over 1. Okay, so t equals to 2 plus or minus 4 plus 192 will give 196. So that will be the square root of 196. Okay, so there is no need to divide it by 1, because any number divided by 1 will be the same. So t will be 2 plus or minus what is the square root of 196? The square root of 196 is 14. So which means t is equals to either 2 plus 14 or t is equals to 2 minus 14. With that, t will be equals to 16 seconds or t will be equals to -12 seconds. But time is never negative. But time is never negative. Therefore, our answer is time is equals to 16 seconds. So which means after 16 seconds, the two bodies will be 96 meters apart. So we have answered the question. Thank you very much.